Georgia is a country that combines the majestic Caucasus Mountains, ancient history, unique culture, and unforgettable hospitality. Its roots go deep into antiquity, and Georgia remains one of the most mysterious and attractive countries in the world. Today, I want to tell you about the most fascinating aspects of this amazing country. History. Georgia has one of the oldest histories in the world. Archaeologists have discovered wineries here that are over 8,000 years old, making Georgia the oldest winemaking region. Ancient culture and legends, including the myth of the Golden Fleece, are associated with this land. For centuries, Georgia was an important point on the Silk Road, connecting Europe with Asia. Its cities flourished thanks to trade, cultural exchange, and natural riches. Tbilisi, the heart of Georgia, the capital of Georgia, Tbilisi is a place where tradition meets modernity. The city is famous for its old district, narrow streets, and historic buildings. Here, you can find unique sulfur baths which have a 1,000-year-old history. These thermal springs provide warm baths to help you relax after exploring the city. Tbilisi is also known for its modern architectural masterpieces, such as the Bridge of Peace and the Right Concert Hall. From the old town, you can enjoy stunning views of the Narikala Fortress, which has guarded the city for over 1,500 years. Cities worth visiting. One of the oldest cities in Georgia is Mtskheta. This is the spiritual center of the country, where the Svaneti Cathedral, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located. Legend says that the robe of Jesus Christ is buried here. The cave city of Uplistsikhe, which translates to Fortress of God, is one of the oldest rock-hewn cities in the world. It was founded in the 1st millennium BC and preserves traces of different eras, pagan temples, medieval churches, and winemaking facilities. Mountains and nature. Kazbegi, Tusheti, Svaneti, just a few of the regions that captivate with their beauty. Georgia is a paradise for mountaineers, hikers, and nature lovers. Mount Kazbegi is one of the highest peaks of the Caucasus, offering breathtaking views of the surroundings. Svaneti, with its medieval towers, seems frozen in time. This region is renowned for its unique culture and songs, which are recognized as UNESCO Intangible Heritage. Wine and gastronomy. Georgia is the birthplace of wine. The traditional method of wine production in Kaveri clay vessels has become a cultural symbol of the country. Georgians say, "When there is wine, there is life." Georgian cuisine is a topic of admiration. Khinkali, khachapuri, lobio, satsivi, just a glimpse of what you must try. A Georgian khachapuri with an egg and butter has become a culinary symbol of Georgia. Georgians cook with heart, and their table is a place of unity and celebration.
Culture and traditions. Georgians are known for their hospitality. A guest is a gift from God, says an old saying. In Georgia, people are always happy to welcome new visitors, share food, wine, and stories. Traditional Georgian dance is a mesmerizing spectacle that demonstrates strength, energy, and elegance. Georgian songs, with their enchanting polyphony, leave no one indifferent. Georgia is not just a country, it's a state of mind. Its nature, people, culture, and history leave an unforgettable impression on everyone who visits. It inspires, enchants, and invites you to return again and again. If you haven't been to Georgia yet, be sure to add it to your travel list.